Today I have an order in for some new stuff, some new store stock, some pre-orders that we need to fill. But let me go ahead and open these guys up. It's a pretty big order. This one came on the boat, so it took a little while to get here, but I did put pre-orders on the site, so nothing new per se, but you get to see all at once what I have put on pre-orders, which includes, nicely packed here, some really cool kits, including, I forget which one this is. This one is a copy of, I want to say it's, I know it's Advanced Zeta, I don't remember which one. The TR, I don't remember. I'll show you what it is as a link or a sticker on the site here. But I got a few of those in. I didn't get a bill of lading on the outside of these boxes, so I'm not 100% sure on what's in here. But I do know that one of the ones that we got in here is our Oberon. We also got a rather banged up RGM 79. This one, I think this one is a copy of the Sliger Law version from the Origin and what is it called? Kukuru's Dawn's Island. Another one of those Hazel kits. We have another Oberon. +2. And this one is a copy of the Korean, what is this one called? The GBK20 Korean collab Astray Gundam. As you see here, it is from Daban, but it is a copy of that one there. Super cool. That's our box number 1. Go ahead and move these guys aside here.
Alright, box number 2.
Alright. I think I sold out of these ones, but this is a copy of the PGU Unleashed. The PG Unleashed. The RX-782 in G2 colors. I'm not sure who makes this one. All I know is it's a simulation model. Those ones all got pre-ordered out, so if you ordered one, it's coming in. Here are some more of those gyms. Quite a few of them, as you see here. So we got those here. Still a little touched by the journey. At least some of them are. And then I have another PG Unleashed there as well. And some more of the GBK20s. Really cool. All right, box number 3 coming up. Oh, this one's, I've been waiting for this one. You get the Lone Shadow, and this is the first edition, so all the pre-order stuff is in here. We got a few of those in here. I want to say this is the whole pack. Yeah, okay, so there's 4 of those in here. Oh, so you have different options to build them different ways. You see here, very cool set, along with the Tastier, which I built. Something I've really been looking forward to, and this is the second one we've actually stocked from Hamoxian. The first being that Julian. All right, we got number 4 here. We got another one of those Advanced of Zeta kits. Some more GBK20s. And something that I've been wanting, but I don't have yet. Batsonic Blaster Attacker, which is from the Cyber Forest. This one, we have Cyber Forest in stock. Actually, I have the Fox Hunter, which is the first one of the line. We're already on number 7, so this is number 7 here. I got a couple of her in, as well as a repeat that we've had before. See the gym. But we have had this one before, and that's the Siren. The Storm Interior Royal Enforcer. Something like that. Interdictor. Okay. Super cool mermaid looking gal. She can go, she can be displayed in and out of the mermaid suit, which also includes method to make it into a shark. Super cool gal. And then again, we have some more of those Advanced Zeta kits and a copy of each of these. So those are here. And our last box for the day, number 5. I got the Blade King from SNAA. And I want to say that's the last thing I've got in this order. 100% sure. We ordered a little bit ago. Yeah, we have a couple of Blade Kings here. Blade King and another GBK20. But I think that's it for this one. As you see, we've got plenty of kits from different manufacturers, including Debon, Hamoxian, SNAA, and Nuke Matrix, which is the one that did the girl kits. So super cool stuff. Make sure to get some. If these are something you're after, they're here, they're ready to be shipped. So I'll go ahead and send out the pre-orders first, and we'll get them going. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.